Never be limited by other people's limited imaginations. It always seems impossible until it's done. The key to a happy life is positive thinking. Think big, trust yourself, and make it happen. The real opportunity for success lies within the person and not in the job. Do the best you can until you know better. Then, when you know better, do better. Powerful dreams inspire powerful action. Success is not in what you have but who you are. Every day may not be good, but there is something good in every day. Problems are not stop signs, they are guidelines. If my mind can conceive it and my heart can believe it, then I can achieve it. Two things prevent us from happiness: living in the past and observing others. Believe, achieve, succeed. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.